This is the magic of coming to a show like this. You don't know what you're gonna find.
Hey, I'm Mitch. Welcome to my South Philly row home.
I learned how to do pretty much everything that I've done in this house from YouTube.
Any direction you look in my entryway, there's just all these stories, like a movie trailer as to the person who lives in this house.
Do I have a fascination with plants? I'm not sure. Does it seem like I do?
Jared, HGTV is here. Hi guys.
Welcome to my country cottage. Come on in.
We call this the hotel house because it's kind of like a hotel.
There's that feeling that somebody made this, you know, like handmade it.
Picking a color for a house can be very daunting. What do I want to feel like in this space?
It feels like a painting.